Everyone, welcome to Code Nation. In this video, we'll be knowing everything in detail about Amazon Wow contest. So let's start the session with our first question. What is Amazon Wow contest? Everyone might have heard about the product based company Amazon, right? So if you are a female and looking for SDE roles at such a renowned product based company like Amazon, then here is a great opportunity for you. Amazon is back with its remarkable program, that is Amazon Wow. Amazon Wow is basically a contest which gives an opportunity to students across the nation to get internship and full-time roles at Amazon. So now comes the question, who all are eligible for this contest? Through this contest, Amazon is offering internship and full-time software development opportunities to all the female students across the country of batch 2022, 2023 and 2024. Actually, the main motive of Amazon behind this initiative is to increase the participation of women in the tech industry. So, all the female candidates of batch 2022, 2023 and 2024 can apply. There are a few more rules for a candidate to be eligible for this contest, like the candidate should be currently enrolled in BE, BTech or any master's degree in computer science or any other related stream. The candidate should not have any backlog and the CGPA should be greater than 6.5. The candidate should have good coding knowledge of any programming language like C, C++ or Java. The candidate should also have understanding of design patterns, data structure and algorithms and relational databases, and should have better problem solving skills. One more point to mention here is that if you have been interviewed by Amazon in the last 6 months, then you are not eligible for this contest. Now comes the question about the selection process. So, at first, a basic screening after the registration will be done to ensure that you are eligible for the contest. Following the screening test, there will be a test and there will be a online test that will be testing your knowledge on data structure and algorithm and other programming concepts. The coding round will be of 28 MCQs based on programming language and data structures, and there'll also be two coding questions that you need to solve within a duration of 90 minutes. However, there is no sectional time limit and you can switch between the sections at any time during the test. To perform well in the test, to perform well in the MCQ section, you are required to have good fundamentals. To perform well in the MCQ section, you are required to have your fundamentals strong and have better speed and accuracy. If you clear the coding round, you will have an interview round. This will be a usual SDE level interview and will consist of multiple rounds like technical interview round 1 and round 2. Some of the most important topics that you should be good at for this interview rounds are like operating system, standard array, string problems, bit manipulation, tree traversals, graph problems, and some basic concepts of computer networks like OSI model, DNS, deadlocks, etc. So, what are the advantages of participating in this Amazon Wow program? As I mentioned earlier that only female candidates can apply for this contest, so the competition will be reduced to half and you'll also get a higher package than an average industry package. You'll also get an option to work from home so you can schedule your day accordingly. Now, the roadmap to crack this contest or any other contest in future. First, you need to prepare some aptitude and reasoning questions. This will come in the first round of your test. Next, you should be good at coding. I would recommend you to select Python or Java. Why Python? Because it is comparatively easy and fast to code in Python, and during that coding rounds there will be a time constraint, so Python will be best. Now, why Java? Java is a great language and widely used in service based companies. So, Java would also work. So now what to do after the clearance of your written round? Prepare your resume, work on your spoken skills, try to practice in front of the mirror and record your videos while answering certain questions like tell me about yourself, what do you know about the company, and so on, so that they can and then share those videos and audios to your friends and teachers so that they can correct you beforehand and be prepared for these questions. Make sure that you are able to answer every type of question before you go for an interview. Now let's see how to apply for this contest. The link has been provided in description. After clicking on the link, you will be reaching this site. Scroll it down a little and you'll find the form here. Fill out the first name, last name, email, phone number. Are you a current student? Yes. Fill out your college name, degree, mention your degree like BE, BTech, STEAM, CSC, ECE, mention your graduation year, mention your gender, and then check out this box and click on submit. After clicking on the submit button, you are after clicking on the submit button, you have successfully registered for this contest. Thanks for watching. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos on internships and job updates. Bye for now.